are with the Kraton on 4S. Stock as a rock, whoa! With the exception of using the 14 tooth pinion. So I got rid of the 12 tooth. Ooh, big smackdown on the front there. Definitely got a little bit more ground clearance than the previous model, I think. Seems to be a little bit bouncier. Which is not a terrible thing. Because it is absorbing those big jumps a lot nicer without slapping that rear every time. But man, can it hook around the turns? Jumps so nice. Ooh, getting a little out of shape. Alright, last lap. Ooh, a little bit of a tail whip. Here we go. Let's go big. Oh! My body has come off. Body pins have come off. Okay, all fixed. Whoa, the wind lifting up that nose. Nice. Beautiful. This thing jumps beautifully. Hey! I was almost in slow motion, that one. Man, this thing on 6S is going to be absolutely insane with this pinion. I can feel it. Nice. Oh, it soaks up the jump so well. Alright, let's go around the bend. So locked in, so effortless. Yes, this is where the Kraton really shines its capabilities. Look at that. Locked in. So easy to control. Oh no, I think my battery might be dying. I've only got a 4000 milliamp in there. Still got enough. Apply, launch. Nice, beautifully level. All right, let's do a couple of jumps there on the big one and we'll call it a day. Just soaks up those landings like it's nothing. Oh, that's it. Battery done. Battery done. I got enough to make it up the hill. Bummer. Oh well, that is going to be the end of this running video because now I'm going to put a 6S battery in there and have some more fun. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And as always, I'll speak to you next time.